this box can be used to connect to another WLAN client. So this is about emulation part. So what you can do is, let's say for example, you can connect the phone or the device which supports NAC, ABG, NAC, AX, and then once it is like, say, normally how it connects with the base station or access point. So your device will connect with the CMW, and then with that you can do all those power measurements, like transmitter measurements, and also the receiver measurements. And in addition, you can do some ping. You can do a ping and then see how long the packet takes, the latency. So I send the box will send a packet to the station, and then the station will look back. So what is the latency? So the latency also should be very short in 11EX. And then you can also check, say for example, connect this box to internet, and then you can do a video streaming. So you can go to the YouTube, and then you can stream a video, and then look at the data rate. What is the data rate? And then with this box you can also impair. So at the IP layer, you can induce some noise. You can also add some jitter, some delay, and then see what are the effects because of these different impairments for video streaming or FTP download or download a file. So these are some examples. You can use it for testing any kind of IEEE devices. And then maybe production is not of much interest for you, but just for giving an idea. So there is also a box called CMW100. So CMW100 is a generator plus analyzer in one box. So with this you can do power measurements, receiver measurement, and for various bandwidths. AX will support 160 megahertz bandwidth. So this is also supported on, will be supported on the box, and it will support MIMO test, switch MIMO and composite MIMO. Meaning to say you have now multiple antennas. Yeah? So multiple antennas. So switch MIMO. Switch MIMO means, say, for example, this device is an 11AC device, supports 3 antennas. Yeah, MIMO, 3x3 MIMO. So now you have to do measurement on what is the power transmitted on each of these antenna, and then also the modulation characteristic like phase error, magnitude error, and frequency error, and so on. So for this you have something called a switch MIMO, where you connect each of these antennas to the different ports on the CMW, and then you can do those transmitter measurements for each antenna. Composite MIMO, so this is how the setup would look like. And then the measurement values. So here you can see there are 4 antennas and the power. So power for antenna 1, antenna 2, antenna 3. Then also in your IEEE WLAN you have some pilot carriers, data carriers. So what is the EVM, error vector magnitude, for these different antennas? And then the power for each antenna, what is the power with which the device is transmitting on each of these antennas. So this can also be measured. And then you have composite MIMO, meaning to say you combine all the antennas and then you do a composite measurement. Now maybe So this is what you measure with the spectrum analyzer. So spectrum analyzer, you can measure, like say this is a screenshot from the spectrum analyzer. So this is your 11 IEEE 802.11 NAC or AX signal. So this is the burst, different burst, and you can measure the power, the module, the EVM, and then also the constellation diagram, 1024 for modulation speed. So AX would use 1024 for modulation scheme. So you can decode that signal, then measure.
So, test this.
Then, yeah. These are the different signal generators. So here we have the software WinIQ Sim 2. So in this software you can configure your 11AX signal, the baseband characteristic. Have you worked on MATLAB?
I cannot write it.
But you know about MATLAB, right?
Yeah.
So this WinIQ Sim is something similar to MATLAB. So where you can configure the baseband signal for 11AX or 11AC or AN. Then the signal generators will generate those signals. Will generate the 11AC, AX signals. And there are 3 different variants of signal generators. So this is the high-end. High-end is top class instrument. And then SMBB is another instrument which also would support AX. And here it goes up to 6 GHz, but this top class, if you see, it goes up to 40 GHz frequency. 40 GHz. Likewise, we have a SGP also. It is just a source. And then some example how you can use is, say for example, if it is 2x2 MIMO, one box can do this 2x2 MIMO. So which can generate 2 signals and also the fading. So this is the fading part which can also be simulated within the box. So this we call it as fading. Fading is I transmit a signal and the signal will get reflected because of the wall, the tree, and then the environment, maybe a house, wall, and so on. So this fading can also be simulated within the box. So inside the box you can also generate fading effects. And then you have, say for example, you want to simulate 8x8 MIMO. So then you can add the small SGP, the small boxes, and then stack it on for higher order MIMO. So this is one example. And then spectrum analyzer I already showed you, and then also the CMW. Maybe then we can go through some of this catalog.